This is the book I'm going to read. Green Eggs and Ham, like by Dr. Seuss.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I have another video for you guys, and it is Noelle showing you some of her bloopers of her various books that didn't work and that did work. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Get that in the video?
I wish. Oh dang it, I should have gotten that on camera.
Hi, welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. I'm Noelle, and today I'm going to be reading the second book to The Day the Crayons Quit, which is The Day the Crayons Came Back Home by Drew Daywall and Oliver Jeffers. Reagan! Hi, I'm Noelle, and wait, what? Hi guys, welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. I'm Noelle, and I'm going to be reading... Welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. I'm Noelle, and today I'm going to be reading The Day the Crayons Came Back Home.
Which is The Day the Crayons Quit number 2. Oh.
Sorry. Hey guys. Wait, did I say hey guys? You're just like, what? Hey guys. Welcome back to Reagan's Reading.
Don't pause it, but I'll just cut this out.
Dude, you have it on the wrong way, look.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, one of my friends, Noelle. She will be reading the second book to The Day the Crayons Quit, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So take it away, Noelle. It's a great book.
This book is called The Day the Crayons Quit. This is called The Day the Crayons Came Home.
You said it wrong!
I said the second book to The Day the Crayons Quit.